How to improve your English? By reading one page a day. Learning English can feel difficult. Many people think they need perfect grammar, long courses, or expensive teachers. But the truth is simple. English improves with daily practice. Today, I will show you a very easy method. This method is called one-page English. You don't need hours. You don't need stress. You only need one page a day. Let's begin. Why English feels hard. Most learners feel afraid when learning English. They are afraid of mistakes. They are afraid of speaking wrong sentences. They think their pronunciation is bad, but mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes in the beginning. The problem is not your ability. The problem is how you practice. The one-page method. The one-page method is very simple. Every day, read one page in English. Read slowly. Read with focus. That's it. One page could be a short story, a simple article, a dialogue, a beginner English lesson. Do not rush. Do not read fast. Quality is more important than quantity. Step 1. Read slowly. Read each sentence slowly. Look at the words. Try to understand the meaning. If you don't understand a word, guess the meaning from the sentence or check a dictionary. Do not stop too much. Keep moving forward. Step 2. Read out loud. This step is very important. After reading silently, read the same page out loud. Your brain learns faster when you see the words, you hear your voice, you speak the language. Your pronunciation will improve naturally. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak with confidence. Step 3. Repeat key sentences. Choose 3 or 4 easy sentences. Repeat them 2 or 3 times. This builds vocabulary, sentence structure, speaking confidence. Repetition is powerful. How much time do you need? Only 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's all. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. One page today, one page tomorrow, one page every day. What happens after 30 days? After 30 days, English feels easier. Reading becomes faster. Speaking feels more natural. Confidence increases. You may not notice changes daily, but after 1 month, you will feel the difference. Final advice: do not compare yourself with others. Do not try to be perfect. Just be consistent. One page a day can change your English. Read with me, practice daily, and enjoy learning English. Thank you for watching.